Jatend migao mochung'ne weche mag tudruok Eliud Owalo osingo mar gero ne klab mar Gor Mahia PC kaka mich mar kawo kombe mar adhula lig maduong' ma pacho ka nyadi 21. Kanowuoyo e nyasi manobago ne klabno e magawa moro buore Nairobi, Owalo bende nomiyo Gor Mahia mich mar omenda maromo milion 2 kaka mich mar tiyo maber e lig season ni. Bende okwayo jotugo mondo omi obed kanyakla kuom higa achiel e kinde ma klabno timo ikruok ne tuke mag CAF. Jakom mar Gor Mahia Ramogi ochiwo singo makende ni Kogalo biro tuge tuke mag CAF ka chenro duto giseketo mana ni rochruok manobedo season ni ok obedo kendo. Kocha mar Gor Mahia Jonathan bende nogoyo oriti ne jotugo go.
The President Senior Council.
I won't be in the middle of the tornado anymore. I'll be looking on from the outside, but definitely, I know I've made friends here in Kenya and here at this football club that will last a lifetime. So I just want to say thank you for the opportunity.
We are going to Africa. We will go. You journalists spreading malicious things, we are still going to go to Africa. We will be there. I think it's about 10th or 15th August. We are going to play in Africa. You see us going down there, and with the support of those who are genuine.
We will be ready and available, working with the office to support you, to make sure that you get the best preparations possible ahead of the CAF Champions League, and of course also go out there not just to participate, but to participate effectively, with a view to replicating what the 1987 team did by winning the Africa Cup Winners' Cup, as it was then called.